listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt.
No better ways to do therapy than shopping. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali Mota back here again with another video for you guys, and in today's video we are going to be doing a little haul because your girl has done quite a little damage to her bank account since I got back on campus. But you know what, it's okay because when school starts my stress starts, so I call it retail therapy shopping, period. No better ways to do therapy than shopping. Be a try on haul, so definitely stay tuned, and if you guys want to see everything that I've gotten the last couple of weeks, then make sure you guys keep on watching and stay tuned. So the first place that I went shopping to was actually Zara, and fun fact, I have actually never bought anything myself from Zara. I have a couple, like 3 things that my boyfriend gifted me for Christmas last year, and then the other things that I have from Zara I actually thrifted. But today I spent my own coins and I went to Zara, the actual store. And here we are, you know. I'm actually wearing one of the tops for right now. It's actually really cute. A little low v-neck. I will do a try on portion so you guys can see that too. I mean, obviously you guys can see it on me right now. And I was actually just taking pictures, and the most disgusting thing ever happened. Like, one thing that men have is the audacity. I'm literally sitting here taking pictures with my friend, and this guy comes by, and he's like this old man too. Like, he was like, I was like, ugh. So literally I'm gonna insert the picture right here because I was like, did that really just happen? But yeah, this is the first top, and this top was $17.90. So I'm gonna do the whole montage thing where you guys can see the top. It's like a low v-neck, it has like a little collar on it, it has long sleeve, really cute crop top, you already know. And I'm honestly really in love with it because it makes my boobs look good, and your girl doesn't have boobs, so yeah. Then the second thing that I got from Zara, which I've actually already worn like all of this, but you know, we gotta include it in the haul, was this top. And it is super cute, rib material. It has like it honestly reminds me of Skims. It has like the stretchy material. So this is like a extra small or small. Yeah, this is an extra small, and this also makes my boobs look big, and I don't have boobs, so it's honestly really great, and I love this material. Like, I'm in love with it. I want to go get every single color that they have, and I think they have like halter like crop tops that are like don't have sleeves on them too, like tank tops. So I kind of want to get that too. The next thing that I got from Zara was this basic tank top, but it is super cute because it is this like emerald green that is really in. Like, Kendall Jenner's wearing it, all the models are wearing it, and it's just basic, but it's really cute. And this was $5.90, I think. Let me look at the receipt because your girl. This was $5.90, and you know, once again, tight, cute, crop top, basics, you already know. So then the last thing that I got from Zara was, this is the one thing that I haven't worn, and I am really excited to wear because I think I'm gonna be going outing this weekend, and it's gonna be such a cute fit. But it is this like a jacket, and one thing about these, like, it's like a flannel pattern type of thing, but one thing about these jackets is that they can be really uncomfortable and feel itchy, and this is so soft that I'm so in love with it. Like, literally the inside, I'm like, it's like heaven. It's like, it makes me so happy. But I'm really excited to wear this out because it's such a vibe. But like right now we're in that like awkward, like in Jersey, it's like that awkward weather where it's like, it's kind of cold, it's kind of hot, don't know what to wear. But yeah, that's really cute. That is all that I got from Zara, and that's like most of the fashion. Well, obviously everything is like close fashion, whatever. That's like all the clothing pieces that I got from Zara, and it was a small haul, but everything was really cute. And the jacket was the most expensive thing. It was $49.90, but it was definitely worth it because it is very soft, like I said. So yeah. Next store that I went to was actually Sephora, and I needed to grab this because your girl ran out of foundation, and I had been talking about it for a minute, and I was using a foundation that really wasn't matching my skin shade. And I've also used this, but this is my NARS All Day Luminous foundation. You guys already know that I live by the NARS foundations because they're just like the best in my opinion. I got the shade Syracuse, and I have already used this, so like it's a little dirty, but I got the pump because one thing that I don't like about the All Day Luminous foundation is the fact that it doesn't come with the pump. So make sure if you guys get this foundation because it is the best foundation. Narrowly certified. NARS, please sponsor me because I love foundation. Oh, and I actually didn't have it in the bag, but I got my birthday gift, even though my birthday was last month, which was the NARS Laguna. It's like kind of a lipstick and like a bronzer. There is a glare. There's a glare from the light because I just got a new light. So if you guys like the lighting, just know I will have the description, the link to the light down below. I actually got it as a steal. Actually, let me show you guys because this should be part of my haul too. Alright, so this is from Amazon. Random part of this haul, but I got this light from Amazon and it was actually like a glitch. So originally it's like $40 and I got it for $8, so I got 2 of them. This is one I'm not using, but I have the other one on top of my camera. So yeah, that's the deal that I got, and shout out to my cousin because she's the one who sent it to me. I will link the light down below if you guys are interested in that. This little haul is all over the place, but it's okay. The last store really that I went to was Crossroads, because if you guys saw my last video, I went thrifting and we went to Crossroads, and some of the things that I got were really exciting. I am going to show you. I'm going to say the last thing, my favorite thing for last, but this is the first thing that I got from Crossroads. It was this cute, it's actually from Fashion Nova. I thrifted it, and it's like this cropped leather jacket, and honestly it's such a statement piece, especially for the fall, because you know leather is like really in right now, and honestly I don't think it's going anywhere. Last fall it was really in, and I think this fall is going to be just as in. So when I saw that, I was like, I need to get it. You already know the vibes. I was looking for some like a leather blazer actually, but I couldn't find it, so I was like, you know what, whatever, I'll just take the jacket. So yeah, that worked out. Then the next thing that I got, which was, I was actually looking, if you guys look at my last vlog, I said I wanted to get some like cute little booties, and I was so happy because I found them. So these are the booties. They're kind of like the Zara ones that I saw on their website last year, and I really wanted them. And these were only $11, guys. Like, can y'all believe that? $11 for these booties, and the brand is H&M. But I'm in love with them. They are a little big on me, not gonna lie, but I put my foot inserts in them and it kind of fits perfectly, so that's that. Then the last thing that I got from Crossroads when I went thrifting were these pants, and these are my favorite thing ever because I am short. I am 4'11" and a half. The half counts because when you're this short, it always counts. But I got these pants and they were literally the perfect fit. Like I'm short, so like I said, like usually pants are really long on me, but these would fit perfectly. And I also have like a slim waist, and then I'm not saying my ass is fat, but like it's a little fatter than my waist, you know? And it fit perfectly on my waist, it fit perfectly on my butt, and it fit perfectly for my height, and I was like, here you go. So, and they're like perfect business attire. They have like this, I don't even know what this material is called. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like threaded. I don't even know what it's called, but it's so cute. It literally gives me like I need to go to like Europe and wear these pants. That's the vibes that it's giving, or any like business event. But yeah, they were super cute, they're perfect, and I'm so in love with them. And honestly, another thing that I wasn't going to include in this video because I don't know where my Ulta bag went, but you know what, we're gonna include it anyways because I was in need of a new perfume. And let me tell you a story about this perfume because I have seen it so many times that I was just like, you know what, it is meant to be, like I need to get it already. So I got it. But basically I went to Macy's. The first time I saw this perfume was at Macy's. I saw this perfume at Macy's, I smelled it, and I fell in love with it, and I was like, I need this perfume. And then I never got it. That was like a couple of years ago for like Christmas or whatever. Then this summer, I actually saw it at Ulta, and I smelled it again, and I fell in love with it again, and I still didn't get it. So I was like, oh my god, like I really want it, and I didn't get it. And then literally like the week later, not even that same day, I go on Instagram and it pops up. Like I swear, this is the government be watching you. Let me tell y'all. I go on Instagram and I see it, and I was like, oh my god, I really need to get it. Didn't get it still. Then the week later, I was home and I got the Ulta little sample, like the Ulta magazine, and in the magazine they had like a little sample of the perfume, and I smelled it and I was like, I need to freaking get it. And then finally the last time where I was like, you know what, I've seen this perfume so many times that I need to get it. I got a sample. No, I came to school and my roommate had the original one, so I was like, you know what, okay, like I'm getting it, like I don't even care anymore. So my sister got it for me and I have to pay her back, but like, you know what, She's doing a little afterpay action over there for me. But I got the Carolina Herrera Very Good Girl perfume, and it is so good. Like, y'all need to get this. Y'all need to get this perfume because, girl, people will compliment you so much. I could just live in this perfume. And the packaging is, I feel like I have a Louis Vuitton perfume right now. Literally. It smells so good. I love it. And y'all should go get it too. But yeah, anyway, that is all that I got these past couple of weeks. Yeah, it's kind of a lot. But I was going to make like a quick little vlog when I went to Sephora and Zara, but I was like, I feel like it's not enough for one video, you know. But you know what, like, it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing all the pieces on me, and you know, like the perfume and like the little tech that I threw in there. The link will be down below for the light again. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon down there so you get notified every single time I post. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Ryan Little.